Can Daddy have a kiss?
Let me have a kiss. Let me have a kiss.
Okay. There once
Was an old lady.
was a little boy.
No, it's not a lady.
Okay,
What does she eat?
let me start over. You want Daddy to start over?
So,
There once
lady.
was a big old lady who ate food all day long. She was like, One day this little boy stopped by to sell her a paper.
Paper?
A newspaper.
Newspaper?
And the little lady said, I don't need a paper, my friend.
Yeah.
I need a sandwich. And the little boy said, but ma'am, I don't have a sandwich. All I have is a newspaper. Will you please buy my newspaper? And the lady was said, how does the newspaper taste?
Yeah.
And the little boy said, well, ma'am, it tastes very good. And for $1.50, you will find out how much it tastes. How good. My newspapers are the best in the land.
So,
Please
How
buy
big
my
is a newspaper?
big.
How big? No. Is it this big?
Yeah.
How big? Show me. Is it big like bear?
Yeah.
Do big bear. Do it.
Strong like bear.
Do it.
Strong bear.
Strong like
Or is it
bear.
little like fly? Do little, little, little. Do little. Say it, Jax. Little. Did you eat the fly? Does the newspaper and the fly taste good?
No, I eat fly again.
I'm going to eat the newspaper.
You eat a fly again. You eat fly.
You want me to eat a fly?
Yeah.
Move.